Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Create the Heart, and I'm back with another haul. So Pink and Main every week has been having a special. So the special this week is buy 2 of their sale stamp sets and get 1 for free. So what I did was I bought the sets, the ones that were the stamp and die. And so I did 2 separate orders because I wanted to make sure that I got the most expensive or the least expensive one was free. If I did all the inexpensive ones, then I wouldn't save quite as much money. So these, I believe they were $9 for the stamp and the die. So I bought 2 of them for $18 and then $3.50 shipping. And then I got a stamp and die for free. So really, really good deal. So the first one I want to show you, let's see here. Don't worry. Okay, so here's the Don't Worry, Be Happy stamp set along with the die. So both of these together were $9, which is just such a good deal. And actually less than that because I got one of them for free. And then here's the die and the stamp set for Bunny in costume. And then this is the one I really wanted, which is Need Coffee. And so I got this one right here. And then they gave me a salon ink pad. So now I have 2 of them because I got one for my other order as well. So I don't need 2. So this will just go in my little secret giveaway area right there. So then I did a second order because I wanted to buy the more expensive stamp sets. So these were normally, I think these were normally $16 a piece. So I think they were both on sale for, I can't remember if I think there might have been $15 for the stamp and the die. And then I got one for free. So for $30 plus shipping, then I got 3 full large stamp sets with dies. So I got the Sun-Kissed Greetings right here. And then I got this one here, which is called Sweet on You, which is great for Valentine's Day, and the die. And then I got this Hot Dog Dies stamp set and dies. Really, really cute. Okay, so then CC Designs, I got their newsletter email, and everything in their sale or clearance, I think it was a clearance section, was for 24 hours, $1. So for $1. So I bought the enamel dots for $1. I got another set of the bubble alphabet because sometimes you just need more letters. So you can write it through just with one pass if you have multiple letters versus doing each one individually. So I picked that up for $1. Then I got this one, which is a retired stamp set, and I think it's called Circus. So that one was $1, and then the matching dies was $1. And then these diamond dies called Diamonds, $1. I can't remember whether I had purchased this one or not, but I bought it again because it was $1. And this goes with the ticket stamp set, which I have the Christmas one and the Halloween one. And then this banner die was $1. And then this, which goes with the candy wrapper die, which I had purchased previously. This is the stamp set that goes with that. And this was $1. So really, really amazing deal on that. So I think with shipping, it was $11 for all of that. Then I purchased scrapbook.com. So here's my scrapbook.com order. So they had quite a few things on clearance that I was kind of interested in getting, so I went ahead and got. The first thing was with any order, so every day, I guess I had 12 days of Christmas, so every day there was a free gift, and I really liked the free gift for this particular day that I purchased from, which you got the Perfectly Plaid Chill paper pad. I think I have this one. I don't know. I have a couple of the plaid paper pads from them. And actually, no, I think I have a different one. I have this one, which is, I don't know what this one's called. This one doesn't have a name, but I have this one. And so this is different. This is Perfectly Chill. So that was the freebie. So I was excited to get that one. And then I bought a bunch of Paper Smooches stuff that was just on clearance and really, really cheap. So they were between 50 and like 60, 65% off on all of these. So I went ahead and got them. So I got this one right here, which goes with quite a few things that I have. I think it goes good with, you know, a lot of tropical things. And there's just a nice thank you there. And I have some pineapple stuff, which I think would be really cute. So anyway, this one is called Pineapple Crush 2. And then this one is called Winter Sampler. So I liked this one. Thanks a latte, sending flurries of happiness, happy winter, you melt my heart, grande hugs. So snow way, warm thoughts. So very cute. Lots of winter, not necessarily like Christmas. So I kind of liked that. And then I got this one, which is their snowman die. So you can use these dies to make snowman. I have the Santa one already, so I need to pull those out and work on some projects with those. I have a feeling these are going to be retired, so I went ahead and grabbed this one, which is the Halloween one. So this one allows you to make like Frankenstein and a pumpkin and some other things, which I thought was super cute. So I wanted to go, and they were really, really inexpensive. So I went ahead and got this one. And then this is a large ornament. So you can cut it and you can kind of space it out when you cut it. This one just says, let's chill. And then this makes a super cute little snowman. So that is my recent haul. And I'm going to need to get crafting. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Creating with the Heart.